When you use a crypto exchange like Kraken, do you ever stop to think about exactly what personal data you're giving them and what they do with it? It's a critical question. In the world of digital finance, security and privacy are paramount. Today, we're diving into Kraken's privacy and data policy to break down what you need to know about how they handle your personal information. First, let's establish the basics. Like all regulated financial institutions, Kraken has to collect personal data. It's a legal obligation for Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering compliance. This means information like your full name, contact details, date of birth, residential address, and identification documents are necessary. Without this, they simply can't offer you their services. Now, what about the data they collect automatically? This is the stuff that gets generated when you use the platform, IP addresses, device information, and activity logs. Kraken uses this information to operate, maintain, and improve their services, as well as for security and fraud prevention. A major point for many users is data sharing. Kraken is upfront that they may share your personal data, but only with specific parties and for specific reasons. This includes their corporate affiliates, regulatory bodies when legally required, and third-party service providers, or subprocessors, who help them run their business, like identity verification services. Importantly, they state that they do not sell your personal data for advertising purposes. When it comes to protection, Kraken takes security very seriously. They use high-level encryption, like AES-256 for data at rest and TLS 1.2 for data in transit, to keep your information safe. They're also ISO 27001 certified and complete SOC 2 Type 1 examinations, which are independent audits of their security controls. They're built for security, from requiring multiple layers of authentication to restricting employee access to client data. It's also worth noting your rights under various global regulations, like the GDPR. Depending on where you live, you have rights to access, correct, or in certain cases, request the deletion of your personal data. Kraken's policy outlines procedures for exercising these rights. The bottom line is this: using a regulated exchange means trading a degree of privacy for the security and compliance that regulation brings. Kraken's policy reflects a necessary balance, collecting the data required by law while maintaining robust security and transparent policies around its use. It's their commitment to keeping your information confidential and secure within this framework. Always take the time to read the full policy yourself, but hopefully, this breakdown gives you a clearer picture. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.